Want to view your WhatsApp password on your iPhone without any hassle? First, make sure iCloud Keychain is enabled. Open Settings, tap your name, select iCloud, then choose Passwords in Keychain. Slide the toggle on to store your passwords securely in iCloud. Next, confirm that you have signed into WhatsApp at least once so that your login details have been saved. Once Keychain is active, return to Settings and select Passwords. Authenticate with Face ID or your passcode when prompted. Browse the list or use the search field to locate WhatsApp. Tap the WhatsApp entry and then tap the eye icon beside password to reveal the stored password. If WhatsApp does not appear, sign into the app again or reinstall it so that iOS can capture your credentials. Alternatively, use the Forgot Password option in WhatsApp to reset access via your phone number or linked email. That is all there is to it. If this helped you, please tap like, share your favorite iOS tip in the comments, and subscribe for more quick tutorials.